Sure. So those on YouTube, just share the audio and the screen. Okay, we'll start in a minute. Let's so join another. Let's start. Okay. So today we'll see the tutorial 2. There are only 4 sums in the tutorial 2, and we'll complete that 4 sums. Okay, simple one. So it's not difficult. Once you know the logic, it will be very easy. So just write your name in the chat box. Let's just check the audio and video is clear or not. Let's start. So we'll take 4 sums based on the tutorial 2. Okay. Just write your name in the chat box. The audio is clear. So let's start with the lecture. Those who are unable to join the lecture online, they can watch the recording. Okay. Sure. So let's start. So today we'll see the gamma function. So first we'll introduce what is a gamma function. Okay. So let's see what is a gamma function. So there is a formula for the gamma function. So gamma function. Okay. What is the formula for gamma function? Integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus x and x raised to n dx is equal to this house n plus 1. इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है बाद में देखेंगे. Okay, this is the formula. You can call it as a house. There's one name. Right now, just understand. Just call it as a house. And it's n plus 1. It's connected with the factorial. Okay, which is also equal to n factorial. So the formula is 0 to infinity e raised to minus x, x raised to n dx, and that is equal to house of n plus 1. Okay, or we can say n factorial. Sometimes there is a x के जगह पे t आता है. So formula is 0 to infinity e raised to minus t, x raised to t dx, that is equal to, sorry, यहाँ पे आएगा n only. Sorry, e raised to minus t raised to n. The answer is same. Only the x is replaced by t. Both are same. Variable does not matter. यहाँ पे t है. So once again, what is a gamma function? The formula is 0 to infinity का integration e raised to minus x into x raised to n dx is equal to this house n plus 1, which is same as n factorial. If you replace x by t, so क्या होगा? 0 to infinity integration e raised to minus t raised to n dt is equal to house of n plus 1 n factorial. Okay, so let's start with the answer. Or let me take the first one simply. So take the first one. Okay, ये formula याद रखो. Every sum is based on this one only. So let's take the question number 1. So question number 1 जो tutorial में था, take that question. Question is 0 to infinity e raised to minus x square by 4 dx. तो मुझे ये कन्वर्ट करना है e raised to minus x x raised to n, ये फॉर्म. So how to solve this one? So what is the first step? कोई भी सम इसके ऊपर आए तो what to do? We'll assume something. So let x square by 4 is equal to t. We'll assume one thing, that is x square by 4 is equal to t. So what is x square? X square is a 4t. And what is x? X is 2 raised to 2 into t raised to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 मतलब square root. Okay, so x square by 4 is equal to t, then x square is equal to 4t, and x is equal to 2 into t raised to 1 by t. Then we'll take the derivative. So we'll take the derivative of this one. If I take a derivative, so if I differentiate on both sides, तो क्या होगा? It will become dx is equal to 2 t raised to 1 by 2. उसका डेरिवेटिव क्या आता है? 1 by 2 into t raised to minus 1 by 2. कैसे? See, x raised to n का डेरिवेटिव n into x raised to n minus 1 है। तो अगर यहाँ पे 1/2 होगा तो 1/2 x raised to 1/2 minus 1, it's a minus 1. Okay, this is the basic derivative. So the final answer is, so जब मैंने 2 and 2 cancel किया तो what is your answer? It's a t raised to, और यहाँ पे dt दिया है, it's a dt. So answer is t raised to minus half into dt. ठीक, so what is the dx? Dx is equal to t raised to minus half dt. ठीक, यहाँ तक पता चला? Anyone in doubt in this one? या फिर कुछ भी डाउट है? श्योर? तो यहाँ पे कुछ भी अंक, यहाँ पे x²/4 है, अदर देन नेगेटिव छोड़ के जो कुछ भी पैरामीटर है, कंसीडर दैट पैरामीटर एज अ t. नेगेटिव छोड़ के जितने पैरामीटर है, कंसीडर दैट पैरामीटर एज अ t. एंड देन फाइंड x इज इक्वल टू समथिंग. तो x क्यूब होगा तो क्यूब भी यहाँ पे क्यूब रूट पे कन्वर्ट करो. सो मेक x एज अ रूट एंड देन डिफरेंशिएट ऑफ बोथ साइड. ठीक है, यहाँ तक हो गया? एनीवन इन डाउट? So what we'll do, we replace all the things. यहाँ पे replace करेंगे. Okay, so let's erase few things. Now this is your question. ना, इस question को हम लोग replace करेंगे. So what we'll do, we'll replace the question. Question ऐसा था. So like 0 to infinity e raised to minus x²/4. x²/4 क्या था? That is t. dx क्या है? t raised to minus half dt, right? dx की जगह पे मैंने क्या लिखा? t raised to minus half dt and x²/4 इसकी जगह पे मैंने लिखा t. ठीक है, ये हो गया. Now we know the gamma function. What is the gamma function? Let's say by gamma function, what is the formula? 0 to infinity e raised to, we'll write in the form of t, e raised to t into, so e raised to minus t into t raised to n dt is equal to house of n plus 1. So we'll solve it. Sorry. I'll write once again. So what was the question? 0 to infinity e raised to minus x²/4 dx ऐसा था. So let's substitute x by t. So it becomes e raised to minus t. Yoga and dx is t raised to minus half dt. Okay. So what is the gamma function? So by gamma function, 0 to infinity e raised to minus t into t raised to n dt. The answer is house n plus 1. Okay. Then if I use this formula, क्या होगा answer? Answer is, what is the value of, देखो यहाँ पे this parameter same, t also same. What is the value of n? N is minus half. So right, house minus half plus 1. So minus half plus 1 is plus half. Okay? And remember one thing, the answer of this one, the answer of this one is root pi. Yeah, the answer of this one, house 1/2. This is the root. So whenever कभी भी लाइफ में ऐसा देखा, it is the house, there is one house, and then it's under the 1/2. Then the answer is root pi. Sure? ज़्यादा पता चला? Doubt? Just give 30 seconds. Just go through it. Then we'll take the second one. So it's a very simple one. जो कुछ पैरामीटर दिया है, तो जो कुछ पैरामीटर दिया है, just write it as it is. उसको assume करो t के फॉर्म में, ठीक है? And then we'll solve. Let's see the next one. Take one more sum. Second one, same. So यहाँ तक कुछ भी डाउट है? So if you have doubt, you can use check. Okay? No, sure. Let's see the next one. So let's go for the fraction 2. So टोटल में fraction 2 क्या था? Let's take 0 to infinity x square plus 4 e raised to minus 2x square dx. ठीक, ऐसा क्वेश्चन. So what we'll do? So we'll assume. Let's assume 2x square is equal to t. मैंने क्या बोला था? Other than minus जो कुछ पैरामीटर है उसको assume करो t. So 2x square is equal to t. ठीक है? And then what is x square? X square is equal to t by 2. And what is the x? So what is the x here? X is 1 by root 2 into t raised to 1 by 2. Sure. Now if I differentiate on both sides, so if I differentiate on both sides, so what will happen? So dx is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay. So dx is equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by 2 t raised to minus 1 by 2. ठीक है? जो last time की वही. Now we need to solve this one. It's a 1 by 2 root 2 into t raised to minus r. तो यहाँ पे dt बाकी because we are differentiating. So this is a dt. So dx is equal to 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2 t raised to minus r dt. And that is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 into t raised to minus r dt. Sure? End out. यहाँ तक देख लो. कुछ भी डाउट? पक्का? So let's substitute that part. जो part हमें यहाँ पे दिया है, let's substitute that. Sure. Anyone know? So let's substitute that part. Then इसके बाद देखते क्या है. So what is your x? X is a 1 by root 2 t raised to 1 by 2. Then what is your dx? Dx is 1 by 2 root 2 into t raised to minus 1 by 2. तो ये थोड़ा सा अच्छे से लिखता हूँ. It's a minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2. ठीक है? Now let's substitute. So let's substitute. So let's reassemble the question. It's a 0 to infinity. Okay. What is x square? See, 2x square is equal to t. So what is our x square? X square is a t by 2. So I'll write here t by 2 plus e raised to 2x square क्या था t? So it's a minus t. And dx की जगह पे क्या आएगा? 1 upon 2 root 2 t raised to minus half dt. Sure? या तो पता चला? Don't open the bracket. अभी ये bracket open करो. उसके पहले करूँगा. Because क्या होगा? It will become too much difficult to understand कि पहले bracket open किया थोड़ा और बड़ा term है. So it's a better सबसे पहले substitute करो and then open the bracket. Now if I open the bracket, 0 to infinity t by 2 into e raised to minus t 1 by 2 root 2 t raised to minus half dt plus 0 to infinity 4 e raised to minus t 1 by 2 root 2 t raised to minus 1 by 2 dt. थोड़ा सा properly arrange करते then we'll solve. So it's a 0 to infinity. Okay, this 2 and this 2 will become 4. So answer is 1 by 4 root 2 e raised to minus t and t raised to minus half dt plus ये 2 अगर ये 4 cancel हुआ it will become 2. So 2 divided by root 2 e raised to minus t and t raised to minus half dt. Sure? यहाँ तक पता चला? Let's go through it. So anyone in doubt? Sure. Sure. Let's go for the next one. So we'll take this 1 by 4 2 as a common. It's a constant. ना? उसको बाहर लेते 0 infinity equals to minus t equals to minus 1 by 2 dt plus 2 by 2 be constant here. 0 to infinity equals to minus t. यहाँ पे t बाकी है ना, इस t is remaining. यहाँ पे t बाकी and t equals to minus 1 by 2 dt. Okay. ये t कहाँ से आता है? Because it's a x square है ना, so t is remaining. Now let's continue. So it's a 1 upon 4 root 2. Okay. 0 to infinity e raised to minus t. देखो यहाँ पे t raised to power 1 है, यहाँ पे minus 1 by 2. So what will you do? T raised to 1 into t raised to minus half. It will become addition. दोनों का addition होगा. So 1 minus half, so t raised to half, positive half. So t raised to 1 by 2 dt. ठीक है? तो ये सिंपल होता है. T raised to 1 and t raised to minus half. दोनों का addition होगा, it will become positive half. 2 by root 2. इसको भी solve कर सकते हैं, लेकिन छोड़ दो. 0 to infinity equals to minus t raised to minus half dt. Now this is a gamma function. So by gamma function, what is the formula? 0 to infinity raised to minus t raised to n dt is equal to house of n plus 1. So if I use this formula, so what is the answer? 1 by 4 root 2 into house of 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 2 by root 2 house of minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So what is your final answer? 1 by 4 root 2 3 by 2 plus 2 by root 2 1 by 2. ठीक है, उसके बाद में हम सॉल्व करेंगे. ठीक है, यहाँ तक कुछ भी डाउट है? एनीवन? प्लीज गो थ्रू. तो यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव हाफ क्या है? बिकॉज यहाँ पे पहले भी t था, दोनों कंबाइन करने के बाद ये तो पॉजिटिव हाफ. ठीक है, so any doubt? थोड़ा सा अरेंज करेंगे and then start. We'll arrange this one. So I raise ऊपर वाला टर्म. So if I solve it, तो मैंने ये सॉल्व किया. So it's a 1 upon 4 root 2 root 3 by 2. Now house 3 by 2. 2 by root 2. Now 1 by 2. ठीक है, अब इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. There is one logic, there is one concept behind it. इसके पीछे concept है. Now the concept is see, the concept is whenever we have any number, let's take 5 by 2 in the house, what will do? We'll reduce this 5 by 2 by 1. तो 5 by 2 को 1 से reduce करेंगे, मतलब 5 by 2 minus 1. The answer is 3 by 2. कैसे आ गया? If I do the base same ना, 5 by 2, 2 by 2, 5 minus 2 by 2, that's 3 by 2. So we'll reduce by 1. Okay, so we'll reduce by 1. So 5 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2, and then we'll draw one more house, and then it's 3 by 2. समझे? Then ये भी reduce करना है, 3 by 2. So again इसको 1 से subtract करो, 3 by 2 minus 1, it will become half. So we'll write half and one more half in the house. And इसका value मुझे पता है, this value is 5. So I write this value as 5. 3 by 2, 1 by 2, root 5. खत्म. तो यहाँ पे जो कुछ भी वैल्यू उसको 1 से reduce करो, and again that value same house में put करना है. So if I use this one, what is this one? I think the concept is clear. कि जो वैल्यू दिया होगा in the house उसको 1 से subtract करो and same value house में डालो. It's a body and this mind is outside. Physically house में होगा body and उसका mind outside the body. So it's a 3 by 2. So उसको 1 से subtract किया तो it's a 1 by 2. In the house 1 by 2 plus by 2. It's a 1 by 2 as it is. उसके बाद 1 upon 4 root 2, 1 by 2, it's a root pi plus 2 by root 2, it's a root pi. Okay. So if I solve it, this will become 8 root 2 root pi plus 2 by root 2 root pi. Okay. So if I take some common, मैंने यहाँ से अगर क्या common लेना है मुझे? If I take some common, root pi and divide by root 2, ये मैंने अगर common लिया तो बाकी क्या है? 1 by 8 plus 2. इतना ही common है. So अगर मैंने properly solve किया, base same किया इसका अगर मैंने base same किया and solve किया, so root pi divided by root 2. So it's a 1 by 8 plus 16 by 8. So it becomes 17 by 8 root 2 root 5. This is your answer. There is a one more fraction connected to this one. You solve it. So what is the answer? 17 by 8 root 2 root 5. और उसको अंदर भी लिख सकते हैं, दोनों को कंबाइन करके एक साथ भी लिख सकते हैं. कैसे? See this one. 17 by 8 the square root pi by 2. The square root pi by 2. दोनों को एक ही square root combine दिया and pi by 2. 17 by root pi by 2. Sure. We'll take one more sum. I'll give one sum as a homework. इसके ऊपर solve that one also. It's a connected. Sure, यहाँ तो कुछ भी डाउट नहीं. So you want some as a homework. So fraction 3, I tell you the homework. Same 0 to infinity x square x raised to 4 plus 4 e raised to minus 2x square dx. Same सब है. यहाँ पे सिर्फ x square था, यहाँ पे x raised to 4. Same. So try it. Okay? And इसका आंसर है 67 by 32 square root of pi by 2. Okay? This is the answer. So solve this one as a homework. Okay? We'll take the fourth one. We'll take the fourth one. Sure. No doubt? No one? Sure. Let's see the question number 4. So fourth one is prove that 0 to infinity e raised to minus x cube divided by root x dx. 0 to infinity y raised to 4 into y raised to minus 6 dy is equal to 5 by 9. तो यहाँ पे दो इंटीग्रेशन है. So no worry. आने तो दो, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं. We have the concept, तो कुछ डर नहीं करना. We'll take two derivatives. So let's solve first one. Let's consider I1 is equal to 0 to infinity e raised to minus x cube by root x dx. Okay, so we'll solve this one. So here we'll assume let x cube is equal to t. So what is your x? X is equal to t raised to 1 by 3. So if I differentiate, तो क्या आएगा? dx is equal to 1 by 3 t raised to 1 by 3 minus 1. तो 1 by 3 minus 1 क्या आएगा? It will become minus 2 by 3. ठीक है? ये तो डेरिवेटिव आना चाहिए. So x raised to 1 by 3 इसको डेरिवेट कैसे करते हैं? 1 by 3 x raised to 1 by 3 minus 1. So 1 by 3 minus 1 is यहाँ पे 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3. ठीक? यहाँ तक तो आना चाहिए. Then what we'll do? We'll substitute here. उसको substitute करते हैं. If I change the equation कैसे change होगा? 0 to infinity e raised to minus t. What is the root x? तो root ऐसे ही लिखो. What is your x? X raised to t 1 by 3. ठीक है? And what is the dx? यहाँ पे dt आएगा. dt 1 by 3 t raised to minus 2 by 3 dt. जरूर कुछ भी नहीं इसमें. 0 to 1 by 3, 0 to infinity. ये 1 by 3 कॉमन, इसको बाहर निकालो. कांस्टेंट है. e raised to minus t. Now this t 1 by 3 and square root is 1 by 2. Okay, so कैसे होगा? t 1 by 3 है, उसके ऊपर 1 by 2. So 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. It will become 1 by 6. Okay, 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. So it will become t raised to 1 by 6 नीचे. Okay, and then t raised to minus 2 by 3 dt. उसके बाद what will do? 1 by 3 0 to infinity. अगर मैंने t ऊपर शिफ्ट किया तो it will become negative. So t raised to minus 1 by 6 into t raised to minus 2 by 3 dt. Sure? यहाँ तक पता चला क्या किया मैंने? Minus 1 by 6 and minus 2 by 3 dt. So we'll combine minus 1 by 6 plus minus 2 by 3. You get the answer. ठीक है? यहाँ तक देख लो and then we'll see the next one. तो यहाँ तक we'll just solve the I1. उसके we'll consider the I2. दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, we get to find answer. Sure, यहाँ तक आ सकते. Now what we'll do? We'll do the addition of this two. दोनों का addition करें. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन ऐसे ही छोड़ देता हूँ because I2 भी लिखना है, तो यहाँ पे चेंजेस कर. So आंसर क्या था? 1 by 3, 0 to infinity, e raised to minus t, e raised to minus 1 by 3, and t raised to minus 2 by 3. Okay. I think सबने लिखा भी होगा. So it's a 0 to infinity, e raised to minus t. यहाँ पे 1 by 3 था. T raised to minus 1 by 3, e raised to minus 2 by 3 dt. अगर मैंने एडिशन किया minus 1 by 3, सॉरी यहाँ पे 1 by 6 था ना, 1 by 6, यहाँ पे 1 by 6 था. तो अगर मैंने एडिशन किया 1 by 6 माइनस का and 2 by 3, what will do? यहाँ पे 6 लाना चाहिए, तो we'll multiply by 2, multiply by 2. So minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 6, minus 4 by 6. It's a minus 5 by 6. Okay. So what is your answer? 1 by 3, 0 to infinity, e raised to minus t, t raised to minus 5 by 6 dt. Okay. Now directly use the gamma function. Use the gamma function, and then you get the answer. This one is e raised to minus 5 by 6. Fraction में थोड़ा mistake किया मैंने while writing the equation. This is e raised to minus y raised to 6. Okay, ये fraction. तो इसको solve करते आगे जाके. So by gamma function, so every time you write the formula 0 to infinity, e raised to minus t, t raised to n dt, that is house of n plus 1. So if I use this formula, so what is the answer? 1 by 3 as it is. House of n plus 1 na? Minus 5 by 6 plus 1. So answer क्या आएगा? Minus 5 by 6 plus 1. So the answer is 1 by 6. देखो ना, minus 5 by 6 plus 1. मतलब ये 6 by 6 and it's a 1 by 6. Right now we don't know what is the answer of house of 1 by 6. ये आंसर मुझे पता है. But this is the answer of I1. ये किसका आंसर है? I1 का. We'll solve the same thing for the I2. But वहाँ पे सिर्फ y है, इतना नहीं पता. ठीक है? So we'll solve the same thing for the I2. So I1 is 1 by 3, house of 1 by 6. Okay? And then we'll go for the I2. So let's go for the I2. तो ये आंसर याद रखो. Some lengthy नहीं है. I'm writing each and every step. That's why you think it's lengthy. Lengthy कुछ भी नहीं. Simultaneously you can solve both the things. Just दो division करो, दो just साइड करो उसको. LHS में ये I1 solve करो, RHS में I2 solve करो. चलेगा. So let's consider I2 is equal to 0 to infinity y raised to 4 e raised to minus y raised to 6 dy. So let, अब यहाँ पे let क्या करना है? Y raised to 6 as t. चलेगा, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Y raised to 6 as a t. So what is y? It's a t raised to 1 by 6. And if I take a derivative, क्या होगा? dy 1 by 6. 1 by 6 minus 1 ना. 1 by 6 minus 1 मतलब ये होगा minus 5 by 6 1 by 6 t raised to minus 5 by 6 dt. 1 by 6 minus 1 ना, it's 6 by 6, it's minus 5 by 6. ठीक है? इतना तो derivative आना चाहिए अब तक. नहीं आया तो प्रॉब्लम है. That means the derivative is too weak. So dy is equal to 1 by 6 t raised to minus 5 by 6 dt. Okay? And now we'll substitute. So what is your I2? 0 to infinity. So this is y raised to 4 na? So no need to find y raised to 4. What is y? Y is t raised to 1 by 6 and raised to 4 first. And what is this one? E raised to minus t. And what is a dy? It's a 1 by 6 t raised to minus 5 by 6 dt. Let's open it. 0 to infinity. 1 by 6 a constant. उसको बाहर लिख दो. Versus 1 by 6 into 4. मतलब 4 by 6. So 4 by 6 मतलब क्या होगा? It's a 2 by 3. Cancel कर दो. और नहीं किया तो भी चलेगा, because यहाँ पे 5 by 6 है तो रहने दो. So do not cancel it because we require this 5 by 6 ना, तो फिर से base same करना. So 4 by 6 into e raised to minus t into t raised to minus 5 by 6 dt. Now I'll combine this two. ये 4 by 6 and minus 5 by 6. If I add, the answer is minus 1 by 6. So 1 by 6, 0 to infinity, e raised to minus t, and t raised to 4 by 6 minus 5 by 6. Answer is minus 1 by 6 dt. ठीक है? यहाँ तक आंसर आ सकता हूँ. चेक करो यहाँ तक. And then we'll use a gamma function and then solve it. Sure? यहाँ तक कुछ भी डाउट नहीं का? So let's go for the next one. तो इसको solve करके by using gamma function. gamma function मतलब क्या? वो एक तो फॉर्मूला था, उसमें क्या इतना है? So many students इसकी gamma function कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. It's a simple thing. जो इक्वेशन दिया है उसको एक फॉर्मेट में लाना है, जो फॉर्मेट ऑफ द फॉर्मूला है उसमें लाना है, एंड देन सॉल्व करना है. बस 0 to infinity e raised to minus t raised to minus 1 by 6 dt. What is the gamma function? So by gamma function, it is 0 to infinity e raised to minus t raised to n dt is house of n plus 1. So if I use this formula, the answer is 1 by 6 house of minus 1 by 6 plus 1. The answer is minus 1 by 6 plus 1, मतलब 6 by 6, and the answer is 5 by 6. ठीक है? This is the answer of I2. किसका आंसर है? I2 का. Now what we require? We require combination of this two ना. इन दोनों का combination चाहिए. श्योर, एडिशन नहीं है, मल्टीप्लीकेशन, I1 into I2. तो मैंने स्टूडेंट फील कि ये एडिशन है, नहीं, इट्स नॉट एडिशन, इट्स अ मल्टीप्लीकेशन, बिकॉज क्वेश्चन में देयर इज अ डॉट ना, डॉट मतलब इट इज अ प्रोडक्शन, multiplication. So what is your I? I is I1 into I2 na? So what is I1? I is 1 by 3 house of 1 by 6 into, this is 1 by 6 house of 5 by 6. So if I do the multiplication, this will become 1 by 18 house of 1 by 6 into house of 5 by 6. Now for the today's lecture only, itna yaad rakho, house of 1 by 6 into house of 5 by 6. इसका आंसर फॉर द टुडेज लेक्चर होगी. ओके, सो आंसर इज ऑफ दिस वन इज 2 पाई. दोनों का मिला के आंसर इज 2 पाई. कितना याद रखो, कैसे आया, आई टेक अ लेक्चर ऑन टुमारो, उसमें बताएंगे, बिकॉज़ टुडेज लेक्चर इज टोटली डिपेंड अपॉन द बीटा फंक्शन का फॉर्मूला. तो विल अवॉइड द कंफ्यूजन, ये कैसे है 2 पाई, दैट विल टेक ऑन टुमारो, कि कैसे आ गया, ठीक है, वी आर दैट मच टाइम, दैट मच टाइम. सो दिस फंक्शन हाउस ऑफ 1 by 6 and 5 by 6 दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के बाद विल गेट द 2 पाई. So 1 by 18 into 2 pi. So answer is pi by 9. देखो मैंने प्रूव दैट बोला था ना कि दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर pi by 9 आना चाहिए. It's verified. So we can say hence proved. Sure. No problem. Sure. Sure. So let's go for the next one. Take last one. Then stop. The last one is also say that is based on the I1 and I2. So that's a question 5. Again prove that 0 to infinity root y e raised to minus y square dy into 0 to infinity e raised to minus y square root y dy is equal to pi by 2 root 2. ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन है. Now we need to solve this one. We need to solve it. Okay. So this is the I1 and this is the I2. So let's take what is I1. I1 is equal to 0 to infinity root y e raised to minus y square. Now what we'll do, rather than taking I1 and I2, first of all we'll assume, because यहाँ पे दोनों जगह पे y square, so we'll assume let directly y square is equal to t, because यहाँ पे दोनों ठिकाने दोनों जगह पे y square, so it's y square is equal to t. So what will happen, y is equal to t raised to 1 by 2, and if I take a derivative now, so what is the answer by taking the derivative, so dy is equal to 1 by 2 t raised to minus half dt. dy is equal to 1 by 2 t raised to minus half dt. Sure. तो ये ले लिया. Now we'll consider I1 and I2, because दोनों में same था, so every time no need to take separate. So just now take the I1, it's a root y e raised to minus y square dy ना. So we'll substitute. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा 0 to 1. What is the root y? छोड़ दो root y. यहाँ पे root है ना, तो root लिखो. What is y? Y is t raised to 1 by 2. T raised to minus t. And dy के जगह पे क्या आएगा 1 by 2 t raised to minus half dt. तो अगर मैंने सॉल्व किया तो क्या आएगा 0 to infinity t raised to half, और ये भी half है, half into half it's a 1 by 4. ये 1 by 2 constant, e raised to minus t and e raised to minus, and this is 1 by 4 and minus, sorry, यहाँ पे t आएगा. So 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 2. So if I do the 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, यहाँ पे 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, यहाँ से 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. क्यों? बिकॉज यहाँ पे नीचे 4 आना चाहिए ना. So it's a 1 minus 2, that is minus 1 by 4. So what is your answer यहाँ पे? So it's a 1 by 2, 0 to infinity, e raised to minus t, t raised to minus 1 by 4 dt. क्यों है minus 1 by 4? 1 by 4 minus half. नहीं है तो कैलसी है सबके पास. Okay, so 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, do on कैलसी, minus 1 by 4 है. Then you use the gamma function. मैंने बीटा फंक्शन लिखा था लास्ट में बाय मिस्टेक, इट्स अ गामा फंक्शन। आई थिंक मुझे भी थोड़ा से लग रहा है कि मैंने लास्ट टाइम से लिखते टाइम भाई गामा फंक्शन क्या बीटा फंक्शन लिखा था, इट्स अ गामा फंक्शन। तो मैं जो फॉर्मूला लिखा था दैट इज गामा फंक्शन। बाय मिस्टेक अगर मैंने बीटा फंक्शन लिखा होगा तो सो लेट्स सॉल्व इट। ऊपर वाला ऐसे ही छोड़ना चाहिए। मैं इसको सॉल्व करता हूँ। ये ऐसे रख देता हूँ मैं बिकॉज इट्स यूजफुल ना, फॉर द सेकंड आल्सो इट्स यूजफुल। लेकिन एक ही बार लिखना ये सब में। So we'll draw one more line. So what is your I1? 0 to infinity, यहाँ पे 1/2 था, nearest to minus t, t raised to minus 1/4 dt. Now a gamma function. 0 to infinity, nearest to minus t, t raised to 1 dt, that is equal to house of n plus 1. हमने ये फॉर्मूला यूज किया, तो what is your I1? I1 is equal to house of 1/2 तो है पहले से, house of minus 1/4 plus 1, मतलब it's a 3/4. So house of 3/4. ठीक है? So what is your I1? I1 is 1/2 into house of 3/4. इतना याद रखो. And then we use for the second one. We'll solve the I1. So 1/2 house of 3/4. Okay, the answer again. We'll go for the second one, that is I2. ये दोनों ऐसे रखता हूँ because we require that question on the assumption ना, जो assume किया उसको. So what is your I2? It's 0 to infinity e raised to minus t, because y square क्या है? t ना. Then root y. Root y मतलब क्या है? Root ऐसे ही छोड़ दो. Y is t raised to 1/2. And what is the dy? It's a 1/2 t raised to minus half. Sure. Now ये 1/2 बाहर छोड़ दो. It's 0 to infinity e raised to minus t. t raised to 1/2. ये भी 1/2 बाहर स्क्वायर रूट. So it's a 1/2 into 1/2 1/4. नीचे 1/4. So it's a t raised to 1/4. And यहाँ पे t raised to minus half. उसके बाद ये नीचे वाला 1/4 ऊपर है. So it becomes 0 to infinity e raised to minus t, t raised to minus 1/4 and t raised to minus 1/2 dt. Now minus 1/4 and minus half. So it's a into 2 into 2. So minus 2 minus 1. It's a minus 3/4. So I can write 0 to infinity e raised to minus t, t raised to minus 3/4 dt. क्यों है minus 3/4 पता चला? It's a minus 1/4 minus half. So minus 1/4 यहाँ पे 2 है, एडजस्ट किया तो it will become minus 3/4. नहीं है तो यूज अ कैलसी. minus 1/4 and minus 1/2 दोनों का एडिशन करने के बाद get e raised to minus 3/4. ठीक है? Now we will take the gamma function. So write I2 again. What is your I2? 0 to infinity e raised to minus t, e raised to minus 3/4 dt. Now I use gamma function. So what is the gamma function? It is 0 to infinity e raised to minus t, e raised to n dt. That is house of n plus 1. ठीक है? तो अगर मैंने सॉल्व किया तो क्या यहाँ पे 1/2 भी है, 1/2. Okay, so 1/2 n plus 1. What is n? It's a minus 3/4 plus 1. So minus 3/4 plus 1. अगर मैंने कैलसी पे सॉल्व किया तो जिसको बेस सेम आता है फॉर देम इट्स वेरी इजी, तो बाकी सब कैलकुलेट तो बिकम 1/2. दिस इज I1. सो I3 क्या था 1/2 रूट 3/4 का हाउस एंड I2 इज 1/2 रूट 1/4 का हाउस. ठीक, दिस इज I2. नाउ व्हाट विल डू, विल डू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो व्हाट इज I? It's I1 into I2. So what is I1? It's a 1/2 square root of 3/4 and it's a 1/2 house of 1/4. Sure? So it's become 1/4 house of 3/4 to house of 1/4. Now for the total lecture also, the answer of this one, it's a root 2 into 1. इसका मतलब क्या है? 1/4 into root 2 into 1. ये कैसे है? We'll take on tomorrow's lecture. जैसे प्रीवियस वाला देखा ना हमने, रूट 1/6 हाउस ऑफ 1/6 into हाउस ऑफ 5/6 is 2 pi. So there is one more formula, root 3/4 into root 1/4, that is root 2 pi. If I solve it, it becomes root 2/4 pi. ठीक, यहाँ तक छोड़ दिया तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन मैं कैलकुलेट पे root 2/4 किया, so the answer is pi upon 2 root. ऐसे आएगा आंसर. ठीक, so अगर कैलकुलेट पे मैंने ये वाली पुट की root 2/4, so you get 1/2 root. कैसे आता है इंटेक, यहाँ तक पता चले कैसे आएगा आंसर. ये कैसे आता है आंसर इंटेक, root 2/4 ना. What is 4? 4 is 2 into 2. What is 2? 2 is root 2 into root 2 ना. तो it's root 2 into root 2 मतलब root 2 दो बार आया ना, so it's a square. Square and square get cancel. It's a 2. तो इसमें से एक root 2 cancel हुआ ना. So answer is 1/4. ठीक है, मैं तो कैलकुलेट तो खत्म. This is the answer. So I is equal to pi upon 2 root 2. खत्म. ठीक, so here we're done with the tutorial 2. Tomorrow we'll take a tutorial 3. On Monday we'll take tomorrow's tutorial 4 and then tutorial 5. We'll end it. ठीक है. So anyone in doubt? कुछ भी doubt है till this point? Sure, no doubt. Okay. Sure. So we'll ये formula कैसे है, that will take on a tomorrow's lecture, because today's lecture is mostly focused on gamma function. कैसे हम लोगों ने gamma function use किया for the different purpose. एक homework दिया मैंने, वो solve करना है आपको. ठीक है. Sure. If you have any doubt, you can specify that doubt in the chat box, or you can also WhatsApp. Okay. And tomorrow we'll meet on the same time 5 o'clock, and we'll complete the remaining part.